Good morning everyone, I'm Shreya Sau, studying in class 9th, Chlorophyll School, Brahmapur, and today I'll be taking you to the journey of Cholas to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Empire. And did you know India is a land of kingdoms where it is not just about the leaders who ruled it, but it is about the places, the dynasties, the history of past. So let us begin with Maurya Empire, which was founded by Chandragupta Maurya in 322 BCE with the mastermind behind it, Chanakya. Chandragupta overthrew the Nandas and created one of the largest empires in ancient India. For the first time, most of the Indian subcontinent is united under a centralized government. Later, his grandson, Ashoka the Great, expanded the empire and then turned towards peace, spreading the message of Buddhism across. After the Maurya, India witnessed the rise of Gupta Empire, 4th to 6th century CE, often called the Golden Age of India, under rulers like Chandragupta I, Samudragupta and Chandragupta II. India reached at a great height of science, mathematics and art and literature. It was during this time when Aryabhatta was introduced by his concept zero and advanced astronomy, creating an atmosphere of harmony and intellectual growth. Moving to the south, under the Chola emperors, let's go to the Chola emperors, where 9th to 13th century CE stands as a shining example of bravery and culture by brilliance of significance. Ruling from the Tanjore, the Cholas, especially Raja Raj Chola and Rajendra Chola, built a noble force so powerful that if it extended Indian influence to Sri Lanka, the Maldives and even Asia. They built magnificent temples like the Vindhyasagar temple in Tanjore. And finally, we have arrived to the most bravery and the most fearless leader, which is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire. He was the founder of Maratha Empire, or the Maratha Samrajya, which he led with fearless and with a bravery heart. In the 17th century, Shivaji Maharaj, not only a warrior but a lot of visionary, he built a navy to ground the Indian coastline, women, and promoted religious tolerance he gave Indians the charm of Swaraj, self-rule centuries. Before the freedom struggle, his courage and ideals in it a flame that burned in the heads of generation to come. So, friends, from the Maurya to the Guptas, from the mighty of Cholas to the brave of Marathas, the story of India Empire is not just about the battle and the crowns, it is about the vision of strong and united nation. So, vision of the further this legacy reminds us the true generation lies not only in consecration land, but in uplifting people. So it is a blueprint of the modern India. Thank you. Have a good day.